Hey y'all, I'm excited. So I went to Aldi and got a few things. You know, at Aldi you gotta either buy their bags or either have your own bag. You gotta pay a quarter to use the buggy, but you get your quarter back. I remember when they first started, I was like, who the hell gonna pay for their own buggy? Now, everybody, everybody doing it. So I wanted to show y'all what I got. I felt like this would be my first grocery haul on the channel. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. And first, I want to do this one first because I'm thirsty. So I saw this drink, and this is supposed to be one of the nutritious drinks that they sell. It only has 60 calories, no fat. It has 16 grams of sugar, zero protein. Ingredients: raw kombucha. I've heard of that before, but I don't know what kombucha is. So I'm gonna have to look it up. And it's got guava puree. I love guava. Those are the only two ingredients. And kombucha is a fermented tea. So it's all kind of stuff on here. I'm gonna go read it. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna read it. It come in a nice glass. I went to McDonald's and got a big cup of ice because it already come cold, but I want it to be super cold because I've been walking around the store and it's hot today. So I'm gonna be sipping on this while I'm showing y'all my little bit of groceries that I got. Don't that look good? Oh my God, I cannot wait to sip. I'm so thirsty. All right, and I still got some left. So I'm gonna sit that to the side. Let me get my little straw and we're gonna get started. Y'all, this right here, refreshing. It tastes like ginger ale mixed with like guava or papaya. That's good. Okay, now I picked up me some lunch. I got me a small Caesar salad kit. First time I ever had a Caesar salad kit from Aldi. Turkey breast, 2 packs. I'm gonna break up some of that and put that on my salad. Wait. Oh, this is a chicken Caesar, but they only put a little bitty dollop of chicken in there, so I'm gonna put some turkey on it. I got some red pepper hummus. I've never had that brand before, but I'm gonna try it. It's cheaper than the Sabre kind that I normally get, so it's worth trying it. Feel a little tub of chicken salad with cranberries and almonds. And this is what I went in there for because they had their grapes for $1.09 per pound. Unheard of. So got some grapes. So I got some Honeycrisp apples and grape. I got some seasoning. This is the off-brand Mrs. Dash. So I got some of that, salt-free. And I also picked up some sea salt. So that's all I got today. With me living in my car, I don't have a cooler that will stay cool. So I got something that I can eat hot. But the salad I'm going to eat right now. Now the turkey breast, I got a bag that I normally stop and get ice and pour it in. It's like a zipper bag. And that'll keep my turkey meat cold and my hummus and chicken salad. I'm going to eat this salad and see what that's looking like. They got, oh, it smells so good. You got cheese. Look at that little chicken. Y'all probably can't see it, but it's right here. That little spit of chicken. And they got a little bitty cup of Caesar dressing. Oh, I like how they got it in compartments. I'm always running out of room in my car. Oh my God. They give you a little they give you a little bitty fork. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let me dump this stuff in here. You think I ain't gonna get everything out of here? You got another thing coming. Now, one thing I will say, I will not be buying these salads no more because this salad was $2.89, and I can get a bigger bag of a personal size salad at Walmart for $1.97. So this is a little bit too much, but I didn't want to make 2 trips today, so it's all good. Y'all, I'm having a good day. I feel so good today. I'm not gonna even lie. It's beautiful. God has really been looking out for me. I think that's gonna be enough dressing. You know I'm gonna get all that dressing out of there, right? I already didn't waste food when I had an apartment. Now that I'm in my car, I don't waste anything. Alright. So I just grabbed me 2 slices of turkey out of there. I'm just gonna rip it up and put it on top of my salad. So how y'all doing? I hope y'all are having a good day. Because I am. As the old people say, I ain't gonna let nothing steal my joy. Them old people don't be playing about their joy. Don't be come stealing my peace. Messing up my day, my good thing. That's one thing about that turkey at Aldi. It's so good. I ain't gonna even lie. They can compete with all these other y'all. I promise y'all. Go get you one of them drinks. I love salads. Somebody asked me in one of the emails, why you don't keep your teeth in? I said because they didn't cost nothing but $30 off Amazon. And if I eat with them, they're going to break. And are you going to buy me some more? Although I got a second pair back in my bag. But you cannot eat with Amazon teeth. You think I'm going to try to be all different and pretty for YouTube? Trying to eat and look pretty and break my teeth? I ain't gonna do it. That's what I was gonna do. They had some of their seasonings marked down, and I got this salt-free season blend because I was gonna get it for my salads when I eat salad. You know, to kind of give them flavor. Although this salad don't need nothing. That dressing is so flavorful. Stuff like this I can eat on all day. Salads, hummus, turkey. But I take maybe like some slices of turkey, roll it up, and just dip it in the hummus and eat it like that. Perfect snack. It ain't heavy on your stomach. So stuff like that, I can eat the chicken salad. I'll take a slice of turkey, put a spoonful of chicken salad on it, eat it like that. Like, you kind of got to think outside the box. Most people probably wouldn't eat it that way, but most people would love it that way. anything to keep from eating a cracker and a chip. That seasoning is good. I hope you have a good day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.